Alright, what's up, you guys? I'm King/CT, and I'm back for another episode of my single player Let's Play series. Now, I'm not gonna lie here, I don't remember what I did last episode. I think I did all this. Actually, pretty positive I am, but, you know, things happen. Sleep? No. So, while I was doing some things earlier today, I figured out what our next project's gonna be in the series. I did it on a single player world with Evil Ninja, so to pretty much sum it all up, I'm going to build a chicken farm. Now, I saw this chicken farm a while ago back on Tech It, or Feed the Beast. It was an old video, so, uh, like I said, I have not planned this out, sort of. So, anyways, let me explain a few concepts to you guys while I quickly get prepared here. Let me just check the settings real quick. Sound, lower that a bit. There we go. Alright, so I'm thinking about implementing a new system into the game called the checklist system. I don't know if I'll go through with this yet, but at least hear me out. So, pretty much, what it is whenever I do a project on this series, somewhere on the screen is going to be like a checklist. I don't know if it's going to be like an actual list or what, but whatever it's going to be, it's going to dictate what steps I have to do next so you guys don't get lost and are confused about what I actually have to do. So, that's pretty much the plan, at least. Don't know if I'll go through with it. You guys will find out if I go through with the checklist or not as the series goes on. But for right now, I'm going to start. Let's gather up anything useless. Alright. Now I'm going to start building the chicken farm. Let's see. I need some food. Let's not cook. Okay, that's a problem. What am I doing? There we go. Wait, give me that. I need that. That's one of you. Alright, let's throw you in. Oh, interesting. So, while that cooks, let's get started on this chicken farm. Go away. Okay, there we go. So, again, I saw this thing on a Tech It or Feed the Beast video one time, and I really enjoyed making it. If you guys remember watching the Triple MLP series, that was, I believe, one of the things I was unable to make. So, I've been rambling on for a while. I know. But I sort of am camera shy. So, I had all my thoughts put together. Went to go record and lost them all. Okay. Let's just grab some food. And now we shall commence the building. Since I already have the materials needed to do this, I'm not going to go through the process of pausing the video. I'm going to just find a nice looking spot here. Somewhere close. Not there. Let's put it back here, right in the middle. Right. Somewhere I can monitor things. Here. This is where the chicken farm is going to be. So, first step in our chicken farm is actually constructing the thing. So, let's get started with that. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I don't leave you guys in the dark. I'm planning to build an 8x8 square. 5, 6, 7, 8. Because water can only travel, I think, like 7 blocks in. And I kind of have to get it to go towards here. Because in here is going to be some... actually, let's make this a 9. That way things will be a little more evened out. In there is going to be or 2 hoppers, and under the 2 hoppers are going to be some chests. And the theory with this is that when the chickens hatch eggs, water from all 4 sides will push the chickens' eggs inside the pier, and the hoppers will put the chicken eggs inside the... Yeah, you guys get the plan. I'm going to go inside the chest, and then I can easily collect them. Like I said before, I have already done this, so I know it works. I'll just say this right now. Yeah. I'm just rambling on today, so... Trust me, though, it'll be quite something. Yes, everything goes into there. Got to make a hopper, though. Can't forget that. It's going to be, like, one of the last steps. Last step, intentionally, will be getting the chicken. So, I want to make this, so let's see. Let's make this look really exotic. So, I'll go up 1, 2, 3, 4. I'll start off by going up 4. There we go. Up 4. Up 4. If I can get some glass in there, that would be nice. Alright, so up 4. Then I will block off this 4. Actually, come to think about it, I should not be using dirt for most of this. Well, it's too late to go back. Let's see, I'm gonna put this here, and that. I'm planning to make a platform above here where the eggs will fall down and then fall down into here, and then that process I just told you earlier will happen. So, do that. Now, that platform. Okay, so I guess the usual is going to happen. I'll be back as soon as I'm done collecting materials to finish building this, and hopefully I would have gathered my thoughts by then. So, until then, back, you guys. Actually, I might have been recording through that. Didn't actually realize if I was or wasn't. If I was, I'll just improvise, probably. So, let's build us a quick ladder and get up. Alright, so what I had last time was... Actually, let's get back down. I know what I'll do. It'll look really weird, but it'll work in the end. Let's go to, like, this. Not what I'm looking for. Because I don't want the chickens to be able to jump out, because that would suck. I'll go like this and create the platform on the inside. Oh man, this is looking really weird. This is a lot different than the one I created on the single player world I was talking about earlier. But that's a story for another time. Let's put this here. Get the 2 end pieces of dirt because we're going to conserve those. Or more like use them right now. And now it's time to fill in it. Oh no, I got stuck. Here we go. Let's... Okay, that's going to be a problem. Let me close this off right now. There we go. Actually, maybe I can reach from here. I can reach. Sweet. Hopefully I have enough. Looks like I might. That's just cool. Alright, I have enough, so it's the 2 blocks I'm standing on. This one and this one need to disappear. And I can get rid of these 2 again. Alright, time to get back up there. I'm gonna hire that wall 1 more. And then from there, everything should be good. Actually, I'll hire the wall 2 more because I don't want the chickens to escape at all. I'll use sand for this as well. Well, I could have used the sand for glass. Oh, man. I'm not going back now. I ran out of trouble. Let's build this wall too high. Come on, let me have enough. Might have enough. Oh, no, I will. Actually, no, maybe not. Come on. Yes, I'm having enough. Just barely. Alright, so. I really didn't think of an efficient way. But everything's going okay, I guess. I say this in all my videos, and I'll say it again. If you guys have any tips to help me improve on this, they are really appreciated. Because I want to continue to do things like this, and they're really enjoyable. Wow. Put this here. Perfect. Maybe if I'm lucky by a quick second, I can create I can do this. I do not want to have to go back down there. Hey, I did it. Okay, a quick little infinite water source here. So I can drop the remaining 3 water. Now, I just break this. The remaining bits of water should flow into that one center point. And boom. Right? No, they don't flow into that one center point. That's the problem. The water won't flow. Oh, did that fix it? No, that didn't fix it. If I'm not careful, that's going to screw me over. Okay, so the place is there. There we go. As long as I can get to the same point from all 4 sides. Right? This one stops me. Actually, I don't think it matters where, but just to be safe. There we go. No, okay, this isn't gonna work. That kind of sucks. Alright, new plan. I don't exactly remember how I built it the last time either, if you're wondering, so I can't just, like, copy that idea. Let's see. I'll just put the water. This is gonna look super stupid. But I have to figure out a way to get this to work properly. For right now, I'll surround my house with water. Because I need to get some sleep. This entire episode is just going to be devoted to this one task. I can see it now. Until this task works, I'm not going to bed. The irony. Alright. Let's resume construction. Just a pile of water. Just another pile of water. So I'm just going to empty this all out for right now. I'll fix this later. Come here. Pile of water. Pile of water. Let's just add 2 more for later. This is where my problem occurs. This is where I need to fix it. I guess I should focus on this water problem first. You know what? Now that just happened, but it works. There we go. Okay, that solves my current water problem. First of all, I need to get all of this to flow into one point. So I'm going to just be rambling to myself here for a minute, you guys. Let's see. Whichever point this water, I have no more. That is a lie. I have more than enough. Actually, I could just put you. So, whichever direction this flows into, this will be made the center point. Okay? So, assuming the first 2 flows coincide, hopefully these second 2 flows will also coincide with each other. Let's see. Oh wait, I should probably get another bucket of water before I go back up there. Last flip. There we go. Yeah, so far so good. It looks like everything's working out perfectly. Now, if I break this, I don't see the harm in breaking this. Water will also flow down to that one spot. So again, if I place water there, and then if I place a source block here, things get pushed around into the center, which is what I need. Perfect. Now my problem now would be anything else. Technically, I don't really need anything else here, but for those just in case situations, because I have had chickens like end up on this level, which doesn't necessarily work out properly. That is a problem. I don't want things to get pushed there. Okay, just pause yourself like that. Water seems to be getting attracted, I guess. This is probably my worst episode yet, you guys. I'm so sorry. Okay. Now, things do not flow properly. That is apparent. It's not what I want. I don't remember how I made the first one either. Wow, this is gonna be the chicken farm troubleshooting episode. See, now I need to stop the water flow because it's starting. There we go. Water flow stopped. I want things to fall in here. So what if I had a bucket of water like this? No, that just makes things even worse. Go back. Okay, I guess for right now, this is going to be the chicken farm. Okay. Mission completed. I'm going to go into some more research on this at some point before the next episode, hopefully. When I do, I should have this problem solved. But for right now, it's time to finish off the last bit. I need to make an anvil, although I don't necessarily know how to do that. I need a different way into my house at some point. Trust me, I don't mind. It's my house. How to make an anvil here? Okay. I think it looks something like this. Nope, like this. That's about it. No. I'll be back, you guys, as soon as I check the wiki. Alright, I'm back, you guys, and I just realized I've been saying anvil this entire time, haven't I? No, see, I meant hopper. So, I think I need to do this, according to Google Images. I said I was going to go to the wiki, but Google Images was right there, so, yeah, convenience. I need an extra chest. I don't have one. Okay, let's make one. So yeah, like I said, I might or might not be implementing the checklist system. I want to, but I'm lazy. Extraordinarily lazy. I need 4 of these. Okay. No, I need 5. I already closed down the web browser, so it's not like I can just go back and cross-reference it. In hindsight, doing that was not the smartest idea. I think it looks something like this. No. Alright, I'll be back again. Okay, I'm back, and I feel incredibly stupid. Incredibly stupid. That's what I get for going to Google Images. Work this time. Yes. I need 2 of you. Finally get a hopper, but don't make enough. Let's make another chest, and... So, if you guys are actually wondering, I recorded this pretty close to the time I go to sleep. So, yeah. I usually go to bed around 8 or so. It's like 7 now. No, it's actually 8:30. Wait, how long have I been playing? Okay, that seems to be a bit of a problem too. This might be a two-parter episode. Just saying. Oh god, I'll take care of the cleanup later. So for right now, I'll dig down, let's see, about 4. 1, okay, 3, another 4. Let's go 5 just to be safe. Now, time to dig straight across the 5 blocks. Dig across 4 more just to be safe. 1, 2. Alright, 3 more. Dig up real quick, see where I am. Everything seems to be alright. Yes. It's getting nighttime again? Wow. Yeah, this is most definitely going to be a two-parter episode. Wow, didn't expect to have one of these. Okay, I seriously need to install a door at some point. I've gone to bed quite a few times, which means a while has passed. Well, this is pretty much now just about complete. All I need to do now is find some chickens. But you know what? We'll handle that in another episode. I don't know about you guys, but I'm pretty tired. Okay, I want to be able to look up and access the chests, so... Where are my chests? I don't even have my chests. Actually, I didn't make any chests. This is how tired I am, you guys. I can't even think straight anymore. Remembering pieces of wood. Convert that into that. Grab these last. Give me the remaining 16 I need. Oh, go work. Yeah. Just one. Just two. Now, hopefully, everything is done. Except that chicken. Actually, come to think about it, this invention isn't even, this chicken spawn farm thing isn't even done yet. I still have to create a way for chickens to get up there and then improve the system. Yeah, this is gonna take at least 2 or 3 episodes. Let me think about it. So here's, wow, it's like one down more than it'll work. So here's what I plan to do for things like this. I intend to probably record. Oh wait, I need those. I intend to record probably the entire project in like 1 or 2 shots, and then like break them up into parts or something like that. Now let's test out to see if this works. I don't want to collect those. I don't want to collect those. Okay, they seem to be working. If I go down in here, my item should be in the double chests. Yes. Alright, mission complete. Sort of. I have no idea which episode this will be, part 1, part 2, but phase 1 of the chicken farm is complete. Phase 1 is the creation. Phase 2, probably the improvements, and then phase 3 is more or less the actual chickens. So this is going to be the base of what the chicken farm looks like. Hopefully by the end, I want to have water flowing and rushing into here properly. But I also want to put glass here as well. Probably a door so I can get in and out for things. Clear up this water. And have a few more things. So, until next time, you guys, I'm King/CT. And I'm signing off. Peace, yo.